Designing a minimalist kitchen in a small apartment doesn't have to mean breaking the bank. In fact, one of the key philosophies of minimalism, simplicity, aligns perfectly with affordability. With thoughtful planning, creative storage ideas, and smart material choices, you can create a stylish, functional, and elegant kitchen without overspending. Here's how to build a budget-friendly minimalist kitchen design that maximizes both space and value while maintaining a sleek modern aesthetic. 1. Plan with purpose before you spend. The first and most important step in a cost-effective kitchen design is planning. Start by assessing your daily routines, cooking habits, and must-have items. Understanding how you actually use the kitchen helps you prioritize where to spend and where to save. If you cook often, invest in quality appliances that last. If you mostly prepare simple meals, focus your budget on efficient storage and a comfortable workspace instead. A minimalist kitchen thrives on purpose. Every purchase should be intentional. Avoid impulse buys and unnecessary gadgets that clutter both space and finances. Create a simple layout sketch to visualize your design. This step helps you avoid costly mistakes later, like buying furniture that doesn't fit or overloading the space with cabinets. 2. Choose a simple, space-efficient layout. Minimalist kitchens work best with compact, functional layouts. The most budget-friendly options are single-wall or L-shaped designs. A single-wall layout aligns everything, sink, stove, and refrigerator, on one side, saving space and reducing plumbing or electrical costs. An L-shaped layout offers flexibility, giving you more counter space and an open corner for additional storage. Keeping the layout simple not only enhances functionality, but also reduces installation expenses, since fewer materials and structural changes are needed. 3. Repurpose and refresh instead of replacing. A full renovation can be costly, but you can achieve a fresh, modern look with creative updates. Instead of replacing your entire cabinetry, consider painting existing ones in light neutral tones like white, gray, or beige. This instantly refreshes the kitchen and gives it that clean, minimalist feel. If your cabinets are dated, swap out the hardware for new handles or knobs in matte black or brushed metal finishes. Small details like these make a surprising difference in overall appearance. You can also replace old countertops with affordable alternatives like laminate or butcher block that mimic the look of high-end materials. Sometimes, simple upgrades, like new lighting or a backsplash, can transform the space at a fraction of the cost. 4. Stick to a neutral, light color palette. One of the most effective and cost-free design tools is color. A minimalist kitchen relies on light, neutral shades to create an open, airy feeling. White walls, beige cabinets, and light gray counters reflect natural light, visually expanding small spaces. This technique eliminates the need for expensive decor or complex finishes. Your color palette itself becomes the design. To prevent the room from feeling too sterile, introduce subtle contrast through textures, wooden shelves, matte finishes, or small black accents for balance. 5. Go for open shelving and simple storage. Cabinets can be one of the most expensive parts of a kitchen remodel. To cut costs, mix closed storage with open shelving. Floating shelves are not only affordable, but also make the kitchen look more spacious. They allow you to display essentials like plates, cups, or jars in a clean and organized way. You can also use inexpensive wall-mounted racks for utensils, spice jars, or small cookware. Just remember to avoid overcrowding. Open storage works best when items are neatly arranged and purposeful. Inside cabinets, use budget-friendly organizers, such as baskets or stackable bins, to keep everything tidy and accessible. 6. Select cost-effective, yet durable materials. A minimalist kitchen doesn't require luxury materials. What matters most is clean lines and functionality. Choose budget-friendly alternatives that offer durability and style. Laminate countertops mimic the appearance of quartz or stone at a much lower price. Vinyl or peel-and-stick tiles work well for backsplashes and are easy to install. Open pine or plywood shelving adds a warm, natural texture without high costs. Stainless steel accessories or fixtures provide a sleek, modern touch while remaining affordable. By combining these practical materials, you achieve a stylish, minimalist design that feels refined without excessive spending. 7. Use lighting strategically. Good lighting can elevate even the simplest kitchen design. Instead of installing expensive fixtures, opt for budget-friendly LED lighting. Under-cabinet LED strips, pendant lamps, or wall-mounted sconces can enhance both functionality and ambience without consuming much energy. Choose minimalist designs, simple shapes, matte finishes, and neutral tones to complement the kitchen's overall aesthetic. If possible, maximize natural light by keeping window areas uncluttered. Sunlight not only makes the space feel larger, but also reduces the need for daytime artificial lighting. 8. Keep countertops clear. A defining trait of minimalist kitchens is open, clutter-free surfaces. Keeping countertops tidy costs nothing, but makes the space look far more luxurious. Limit visible items to essentials, perhaps a small cutting board, a coffee maker, or a decorative bowl. Store everything else in cabinets or shelves. This approach enhances both visual calmness and efficiency. When your workspace is clear, cooking becomes easier, and the entire kitchen feels cleaner and more organized. 9. Incorporate natural and recycled elements. Sustainability and affordability often go hand in hand. Reclaimed wood shelves, recycled glass jars, or repurposed furniture can add character to your kitchen at minimal cost. Natural elements, like a potted plant or a bamboo tray, bring warmth and life to the space, balancing the sleek minimalist look. Using secondhand or DIY pieces not only saves money, but also gives your kitchen a unique personality. 10. Focus on long-term simplicity. A minimalist kitchen is not just about design, it's about lifestyle. Once you've set up your space, keep it simple by maintaining only what you use and love. Regular decluttering ensures that your small kitchen remains open and manageable, reducing the need for constant redesign or upgrades. Minimalism naturally encourages low-maintenance living, saving both time and money in the long run. Conclusion: affordable design with lasting impact. A budget-friendly minimalist kitchen proves that elegance doesn't depend on expensive materials or elaborate construction. With smart planning, simple materials, and thoughtful organization, you can transform even the smallest apartment kitchen into a beautiful, functional retreat. By focusing on essentials, using space creatively, and maintaining a light, cohesive design, your kitchen becomes a reflection of intentional living, clean, practical, and effortlessly stylish.